Oh, this fog is freaking hilarious.
Hey! Katie! Katie! Hey! Don't you worry about coming back no more. Okay? What? What? What'd you say? Yeah, don't you worry about it. I got beer to drink. And hold on. And cigarettes to smoke. And drugs to do and weed. Gotta buy my cheap beer. And this is my last can. Don't come back no more.